Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anurag Singh and today in this video I'll talk about 5BRCC. Seeing 5BRCC from a new perspective. It is not a new perspective, but it is a different perspective to see 5BRCC and understand 5BRCC with some different perspective. So earlier when sir used to taught sir used to taught, then it is not an exercise. So it was an acronym made by a student after years when he got recommended and he told sir that he has got recommended and he to remember those exercises that sir used to teach, he made this acronym 5BRCC. But actually it was not 5BRCC. It was not 5BRCC. It was something different. What sir actually teaches that time. So sir used to divide these exercises into three parts. That is, first is understanding, second is character, and third is solutions. So as you know that sir always says that you should have leadership potential, and who have leadership potential? Whoever understand things completely. Whoever understand things first completely, then if he understand those things, if he or she understand those things, then he should have also character, because understanding is not only the sole thing that made you a leader. So first you should have understanding, and then you should have also have that character. Character of what? Character of a person who have the sense of urgency, who have compassion for others. So when you have understanding for things and you also have compassion for things, then you have pain. Why you have pain? Because when you understand things and you have also compassion and empathy for something, then you will have pain for improvement, that you want to improve that thing. You want that things will improve. You always want to improve things, because a leader is always someone who wants to improve himself, improve his parents, improve his room, improve his house, improve the environment, improve the society, improve the nation, improve the country. So because of that you will have pain in your heart. Because of that you have sense of urgency, and for that sense of urgency you will have challenges in front of you. To tackle those challenges, you should come with solutions. What type of solutions? Innovative solutions, solutions that have creativity, solutions that have out of the box thinking. So you should have those solutions, and by that you become a leader, because a leader always thinks something new, something different. He always wants to improve. In a similar way, sir teaches these exercises to improve in our life, to become a leader. So the exercises, the first thing is for improving understanding. Sir used to teach us, first is 5-point perception, that if you want to improve understanding, if you want to see something completely, then you should see things in 5 different perspectives, as I have already made about the 5-point perception. And then the second thing is connectivity. From connectivity you see the invisible things, because in this world there is only 10% things are visible, but 90% things are invisible around us. So we need to see those invisible things. And how do we see those invisible things? We connect things, we connect the dots. As if I take example of a hospital, then from hospital we can connect reckless driving, from that we can connect ambulance, hospitals, doctors, carelessness, traffic rules, accident, MBBS, then NEET exam leak, paper leak. So we can connect different things. We can connect 100 and 200 new words to that, so that we can see what other things can be linked around that. So this is connectivity. And then other thing is curiosity. Curiosity of knowing more and more and more and more. About what? Knowing about yourself, knowing about your village, your district, your state, knowing about India and the world, knowing about the current affairs, knowing about the current happenings around you, what is happening in the world, what is happening in India. And The third is, and the last is knowing about your force you want to join. Because if you want to join army, air force, navy, then you at least you should have knowledge about that. What are the regiments? What are the structure of that? What are the ranks? So that you can understand and you can have clarity of which force you want to join. So by that, sir used these 3 exercises: 5-point perception, curiosity, connectivity, for improving our understanding. Now comes the second exercise for improving the character. Now, how character improves? Character improves when you play your roles. When you play your roles honestly. When you play your role better than the last time you have played. When you have that sense of urgency to improve everything. Because, for example, if you are playing role as a son, then you should know that what problems your mother is facing, what problems your father is facing, and how you would improve those challenges that they are facing, how you can improve their condition, how you can improve their status. If you are take example for a student. If you are a student and you are scoring low marks, then your role is to improve. Your role as a student should focus on improving marks. Then how can you improve marks? By planning things, by making a routine, by deciding which subject you are lacking, by talking to teachers, by knowing your weaknesses, by working on them, by talking to your friends and taking help from them, by talking to your seniors that how they tackled their subject. So by this method you can use 5-point perception also in knowing the challenges and solutions for the things. Like how can you improve your role play? So when you have the urge of improving the role play day by day, by that you become a good person, a good son, a good citizen to the society, a good human being. So that is how your character is improved. And when your character is improved, now comes the third exercise to improve our solutions, by how we can take out creative, out of the box, innovative solutions by using brainstorming. So this is the last exercise by which sir taught us to improve brainstorming. So brainstorming, sir divided into also 5 parts. So he has 5 questions in that also. To brainstorm something, a topic or anything around you, you should answer 5 questions. First, what it is. Second, why it is important to discuss. Third, what is its present status. Third, what are the challenges we are facing in changing the present status. And fifth is, what can be the innovative and creative solutions to tackle those challenges. So by this, we improve our life, we improve our understanding, we improve our character, and we improve our solutions. As a leader, sir used to tell us that a leader is someone who is a solution seeker, who always try to improve things, who always try to find out solutions. So he become a solution oriented person. And by that we improve our life. When we improve our life, when we become solution oriented, when the finding solutions is in our DNA, when we keep finding solutions here and always there, when we have the urgency of improving everything around us, that day we become a good human being. And when we become a good human being, and when we get accepted by the people around us, the friends, the family, the neighbors, everyone when accept us, then SSB will accept us also. We do not need to learn tips and tricks. We need to improve our life. Improve our life and practice. Along with improvement in our life, practice for SSB is also important. So this is how sir used to tell us how to prepare for SSB, and also other exercises he told us, like not exercises but activities by which we can improve our confidence and everything. I will talk about these things in later videos. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.